Alright, doing a quick rundown of the PC parts. Got the AORUS Z790 Pro X motherboard. Moving to the power supply, which is the MPG A1000G by MSI. And then for the computer case, we're going to go with the Lian 011 Dynamic Evo RGB. And then we'll be rocking the Intel i7 14 Gen CPU. For the graphics card, going with the Nvidia 4090. This will be the Founders Edition. And then for the fans, we have the Lian Infinity fans. Got both the regular and the reverse blades. Trying to go with a white theme build on this. And then for the SSD, we got a 1 terabyte Crucial T500. For the RAM, gonna go with DDR5 T-Force 32 gigs. And then rolling with our second SSD, this one here is gonna be a 2 terabyte. For the AIO, we got the Lian Galahad 2. Again, in the white color. And then from Lian as well too, we got the RGB strips for both the motherboard and the graphics card. And then to finish it off, also got the contact frame for the i7 by Thermalright. So yeah, this is just a quick rundown of the parts list for my first PC build. I'll be doing an unboxing video for y'all as well, so you can see how everything looks. Minus the 4090, everything else, I'm going to try to keep it all white. 4090 is a Founders Edition, so that'll give you that black color. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video. See you next time.